Okay, Strictly Sidewayz. So, I'm going to bring to you guys the homemade smoke machine by Keddy. So I'm just taking this out and I'm going to sample it out, test it out for you guys. So the do's and the don'ts. And so what you want to do is you want to fill it up just about a quarter of the USP glycerin, which is right here. Can be found at Walmart in the pharmacy section. It's about $4 a bottle. Put 2 tablespoons or 2 caps of water inside. Shake it around so it gets a little bit liquidy. I already installed some of it in here. So when you put it in, you want to make sure that your level is just below your coil. You don't want to fill it above your coil. You want to be below your coil just enough where your wick is wet, and also you don't want to be running it dry. So every time you run it, make sure you keep an eye on it. You check on it and it's not running dry. So what we're going to need to get this thing started: a battery, an ESC that I'm running from my Sprint, and we're going to need a Y connector, and we're going to need this. I use bullet connectors. So what I did is I took the red to the positive, negative to the negative, and I soldered that on right directly so that I can power up the unit when it's all plugged in. Okay, so negative, positive, and we're going to connect the machine. Actually, first let's put it onto the Y connector. So one end is going to have from the smoke machine. Make sure we're on black, and then the next one is going to go to your ESC. So now that both of those are connected like that, like so, we are going to connect it directly to our receiver. So make sure we got it on the negative into throttle, like so. And next, what we're going to do, we're going to connect our power from the smoke machine. As you can see, the fan's already kicking on. And then I'm going to plug my battery to my ESC, like so. And got my beautiful radio here. Turn on the power. And so, as you throttle, you can see smoke rising. I don't know if you guys can get a good clear image of that, but let me tilt you guys towards here. So right now I got no throttle, so it's just slowly producing smoke. But as soon as I give gas, you see a nice big cloud of smoke. Same with reverse as well. Same amount of smoke. It really pours out. So the next video I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to make sure that it's all mounted in the car. I'm going to reroute it directly using fittings, and I'm going to hopefully make it come out of exhaust and give the more realistic effect. So as you can see, reverse, throttle. So the harder or the longer that you press it, the more smoke will emit. So just to give you guys an idea, it really starts to smoke up the place. But yeah, so everything is good, everything is working like so. And again, guys, you want to make sure that you're watching it, because it's not just a simple plug and play. You can't just plug it in and expect it to just go and work forever. There is a little bit of maintenance. You're going to have to make sure that your coils or your liquid is below your coils, and you want to make sure that you're never running it dry. And so right now I'm not giving any throttle, so it's still slowly giving out some smoke. But yeah, so that's pretty much basically how you hook it up. So the next video you guys will see is it will be installed in the car, and hopefully have the fittings, and I have it rerouted directly coming up through the back out of the exhaust. So for now, love this little machine. It works great. I can't wait to test it out when I'm fully either outside or in the track somewhere. But for the meantime, so if you guys are interested in getting yourselves one of these machines made by Chris Keddy, great member of the group, so just hit him up, message him up, and you guys can go from there. But so far so good. I love this little thing, and I can't wait to actually get it in the car and actually driving with some smoke. So when that comes, another video will be posted, guys. Again, thank you so much, Chris, for letting me test this out for you. And yeah, next video will be on the road. Alright, guys, so thanks for watching, and subscribe.